Welcome to Trex Academy, where you can learn everything you need to know about building your deck project. In this video, we'll show you how to install Trex plug-based decking screws and plugs. The epoxy-coated Trex plug-based decking screws are specifically engineered for a fast and easy drive through Trex's proprietary shell and core. Plus, the plugs are made up entirely of the Trex decking shell material, delivering exceptional aesthetics and performance. This system is by Trex, for Trex. The wobble-free hex sticks depth setting tool is impact driver compatible and sets the screw to the design depth for the Trex plug. Depth setting tools are included in each pack. The strip of 20 injection molded plugs is staggered, making it easy to handle for efficient plug installation. Plugs are made from Trex's proprietary shell material, embossed to match each Trex product line. The decking screw plug-based system is also backed by the same warranty coverage as Trex decking, ranging from 25 to 50 years. If screws are to be installed closer than 1 inch from a board end or edge, pre-drill the deck board at a 90-degree angle to the face of the board using a 1/8 drill bit before installing the screw with the depth setting tool. Be sure to use 2 screws per joist or stair stringer and drive the screws again at a 90-degree angle to the face of the board using the hex sticks depth setter tool. The drive should be one continuous motion. Don't stop until you hear the sound of the drive change when the depth setter fully seats the screw and releases. At this point, the screw is set to the design depth for the plug. Make sure the hole is clean of any debris or water. Then center the plug over the hole and align the plug grain with the board grain. Tap the plug into place using a smooth face hammer until the plug is flush. For more videos on how to install Trex products, visit trex.com/academy. Thanks for watching.